Hello, my wonderful kindergartners. This is Miss Pingle, and I'm going to walk you through a few of our math worksheets. Now, you don't have to do them all. You can pick which side you do. So I'm going to do side A, just like we do in class. And if you'd like, you can do it with me and challenge yourself to do side B all by yourself. So we're going to start by doing our best to draw a 3-inch line segment. Now, I do not have a ruler, so I'm just going to try my best. If you have a ruler, you can do that on your own. And then you can write your first and last name. Now you can see I'm going slow and steady because I'm using my computer to write. And now we're going to write the date. Today is Monday, April 13th, 2020. And I'm going to write it in number form. April is the 4th month. It is the 13th day. And it is the year 2020. Now, you can just write the last 2 digits, or you can write all 4. And the day of the week is Monday. I always begin with a capital letter. Oh my. I think over Saturday and Sunday I forgot how to use the mouse to create my letters. All right, let's get started. Number 1. Write the number 107 on the place value chart. 107. 107 means that there is 1 group of 100, 0 groups of 10, and 7 extra ones. And then it asks to circle the digits to tell the number of 100s. So which number represents a group of 100? It would be the first group of 100. And then you can make your tally marks. Now each teacher may do it a little bit different. So just do your best. You don't have to make 107 tally marks, but just do whatever you feel is right there. Number 2, Harvey cut out a half dozen paper hearts. And then he cut out 2 more paper hearts. Draw a picture and write a number sentence to show the hearts. Now you may say, Miss Pingle, a half dozen? We didn't do that lesson. And our teachers, Miss Murphy, Miss Willie, and Miss Pingle would all say, that's okay, because we skipped a couple of lessons from what you're doing now to what we were doing in the classroom. So if you have a question, you can just ask a grown-up, or maybe an older brother or sister. I'll just tell you right now, since we did not do the lesson. A half dozen is 6. So I'm going to make 6. Now I could do hearts for shapes. I can do numbers. I could do beginning sounds. I could do a number line. There are lots of different strategies to show 6. You could maybe even do tally marks. And now I'm going to show 2 more by drawing 2 extra on the side, giving them a little bit of separation. Now we have to figure out how many hearts in total he bought. Cut out. So we're going to write a number sentence. A number sentence is also like an equation. So we started off with 6. 2 more means addition or sum and some more. Those 2 extra he cut out equals, and now I'm going to figure it out by using 6 and counting on. Start with 6, 7, and 8. 6 plus 2 equals 8. And we did do our plus 2 facts with Fiona, the Fluency Fox, so maybe you already knew that. And now I want to know, how many paper hearts did he cut out all together? And we know that the answer is 8. All right, and another new one is money. So when we look at number 3, we're going to circle the coins Judy can use to pay for this marker. Now the marker has a tag of 21 cents. Now here I see some dimes worth 10, a nickel, which we didn't get to teach you in the classroom, which is 5 cents, and then 2 pennies, which are worth 1 cent. So I know I need 2 groups of 10 and 1 extra one. Dimes are worth 10 cents. So I can take this dime for 10 and this dime for 20. And now I need 1 extra one. I know that pennies are worth 1 cent. So if I just take this penny, I will get to 21 cents. So I would need 2 groups of 10 or 2 dimes and 1 extra one or 1 penny. And then number 4 says, write 1 observation about your classroom graph about foods. Bummer, we're not in the classroom. So you get to be a lucky ducky and just skip it. And lastly, number 5, write the answers. Fill in the correct comparison symbol. Greater than, less than, or equal to. So we need to do this in 2 steps. First, I need to know my oddball facts. I know you've been practicing them, and really the only way you can really remember is memorization. So you just have to kind of say it over and over and over until your brain remembers it. So 5 plus 7 is 12, and 6 plus 8 is 14. So I'm going to write those answers on top so I remember. And now I can say 12 is greater than 14. 12 is less than 14. Or 12 is equal to 14. 12 is less than 14. We know that it's the less than symbol because the 2-sided on the right will open up to eat the bigger number because 2 is bigger than 1. And then I'll go to the next one, 4 plus 7. I know that's 11. And 3 plus 8 is also 11. So 11 is equal to 11. All right, great job, kindergarten. Remember, I did side A, so now you can do this with me and stop, or you can challenge yourself and do side B by yourself. Either way, I'll see you tomorrow for another lesson on math. Good luck.
Okay, class, we're going to be looking at side 118B, and I'm just going to be reading the directions to you. So we're going to start off with number 1. Okay. The directions are, please put these number cards in order from least to greatest. So you're going to start off with the smallest number here to the largest number here. Go ahead and do that now. Number 2. Carolyn had a half-dozen pencils. She gave 1 pencil to Allison. Draw a picture and write a number sentence to show what happened in this story. Write your number sentence right here. How many pencils does Carolyn have now? Number 3. Circle the coins Frank can use to pay for the pencil. The pencil is 17 cents. Circle the coins that make 17. Number 4. The children in Miss Crepcio's class made this graph. Write a sentence about their graph. The title of the graph is Foods We Like. The first word is tomatoes, carrots, celery, and mushrooms. Write a sentence about the graph. Number 5. Look at the shapes. Which hexagon shows halves? Color 1/2 red. Next, it says color 1/3 blue. So find the hexagon that is thirds. Color 1/6 green. And number 6, write the answers. Fill in the correct comparison symbol. Less, greater than, less than, or equal to. So you'll need to solve the problem and write down one of these symbols for your answer.